One of the most painful things I see in couples is this. Both people are trying, both people are apologizing, but the relationship still is getting worse. And that's usually not because repair isn't happening. It's because the repair isn't being received. In this video, I want to explain why repair attempts fail even when both partners try, why I'm sorry doesn't land, and what couples usually miss when they try to repair. Most couples think repair means saying the right words, an apology, a reassurance, and a promise for a better tomorrow. But in healthy relationships, repair isn't just said, it is recognized. In repair attempts, they only work when the receiving partner can actually register them. Repair doesn't fail because people aren't trying. It fails because the repair isn't landing. When someone says, "I'm sorry," but the hurt hasn't been acknowledged yet, the apology can feel hollow, not because it's insincere, but because it skips understanding. What couples often do wrong is they repair before they clarify. They apologize for the outcome, not the impact. They move toward peace before their partner feels seen. Repair without understanding doesn't feel like repair, it feels like bypassing. Another common mistake is repairing content instead of process. Couples say things like, "I'm sorry I raised my voice," or "I didn't mean it that way," but they never name what actually hurt. In strong repairs, partners slow down and say, "Here's what I think landed for you. Tell me if I'm getting it." That moment, being understood, is what allows the repair to work. Before apologizing, try this sentence. What do you think hurt most for you in that moment? So repair is an actual skill set. It's not a personality trait. Effective repair includes 3 things: naming the impact, taking responsibility for specific behavior, and checking if the repair was received. Repair isn't about ending the conversation quickly. It's about managing the trust in the middle of conflict. Repair works when one partner feels understood, not rushed. This is why couples can care deeply and still feel stuck in the same cycles. They're repairing, but without structure, without guidance, and without knowing what actually works. When couples have clarity about how repair functions, conflict stops feeling dangerous and starts feeling workable. If this resonates, that's usually a sign the issue isn't effort, it's clarity. Take the relationship assessment below and watch my next video.